Hello again. Now we're going on a family trip and we're taking the Porsche to see if I can actually fit everyone inside the car. So we have all the seats installed now. I'll just show you. This is the Britax two-way. The way you attach it is you just pull the seat belt through the back here and underneath, and you attach it with the belt. So you can see there's a hole here and a hole here. So you put it through and in. That's the way you attach this belt. And I've taken out the pad underneath there, so it's a little bit lower. So it's basically a perfect fit inside the car. And then this is the Britax HI-WAY II. The way you attach that is that you take straps underneath the rails for the front seat, then you clip them into the belt, and you also use the support beam, and then it's kind of similar in the front of the seat here. You take the belt and then you pull it through the bottom of the belt, then you clip it through these blue clips on each side and attach it in the belt clip. So this is the seat for the smallest guy, and this is the seat for the biggest guy. To be able to fit it, you need to put the passenger seat all the way to the front and also straighten the back quite a lot. So it's a pretty tight squeeze, but my wife says it's okay as long as it's not a very long trip. So it is definitely possible to have 4 people in the car, but it's not very roomy. If you know about other seats that works well in a Porsche, please do share in the comment section below. Alright, so I'm gonna put the kids in. I'm gonna start with the smallest guy, and I just kind of need to get in myself and slide him through here. In there pretty comfortably. You can actually see out pretty well here because of the big windows. You happy, camper? And then we have the next guy. This here. And they're both in. This buckle is pretty annoying because you're gonna have to twist it the right way, but besides that, it works pretty fine. Put back the seats, and it still has okay leg room. You can see out here. And the smallest kid can see out here. Hey! And then my lovely wife fits pretty well in here. So then the only thing left is the stroller. Which goes here. Well, we have a stroller, 4 people, all in the car. Everyone's inside. Everyone's happy, roof open, kids are happy, sun is shining, good day. Made it to Grimstad. Now I can see if I can get everyone out safely too. is out, and this is the Britax HOLIDAY, by the way.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.